Ooh, she is nasty. Nasty. Look, this ain't got nothing to do with this video, but I'm gonna go and tell you. I gotta do something about these. I think I'm gonna go with some Mickey Thompson Pro Bracket radials, which is like slicks, but they're radials, so you got a stiffer sidewall. Because those don't really hook. They hook okay on the street in the road, but they don't really hook at the track. And I want something that's gonna hook better at the track. And the MT Street R's, no bueno. I don't feel like spending that much money on those. And I don't drive my car that much anyway, so it really shouldn't matter. But the reason of this video is because I finally fixed, at least I think I did. I think I finally fixed the whole, oh, this was unlocked. I just gotta pop the hood when I come out here. I finally fixed the whole starting issue with the Civic. I don't even know if you want to call it fixed per se, because I probably should have got a new ignition switch, but I didn't. Instead, we put a momentary switch on it. So we're gonna rock with that for the time being and hope for the best. But let me give you a quick demo of what I'm talking about, because I am so excited about that it's fixed. Now we need to clean up the old Civic, but at least now I'm at the point to where I can do that, because previously I've been working on trying to get it to work so much, haven't even had time to really do stuff I should be doing it. So let me show you what I'm talking about anyway. So nasty. So we've been having some starter issues. I thought it was the battery, electrical, but it was not. What I did was, to fix it, is put in a momentary, but gotta be careful. So this is the switch. The car will try to start because it's wired directly to the starter. It'll try to start when there's no key, but it's not gonna start. So we got that part, so that's okay. I feel like that's an accident waiting to happen though. Let's just say I accidentally hit it and it's in first and my foot ain't on the clutch. That's no bueno. But when you put the key in, then hit it, make sure it's in neutral because my foot ain't on the clutch. As you can see, it starts. So that's going to be the way that I started, at least for now. Probably need to move that to a keyed fuse. I don't know, what y'all think? I probably need to do that though, and that's really an easy fix. Let me turn this off. Oh, it sounds so good. So I'm just excited that it's working. So we're going to test it out, because usually when I've been fixing this stuff, it'll work for a little bit, but then it don't work forever. But I think I may put another wire, run it over there to keyed fuse, so when you turn the key on, we got power, and it don't work if the key is not on. It'll probably work better than where I'm getting the power from now, which is directly from the battery. Anyway, I'm just so glad that I finally got that fixed, because now there's some other stuff that I need to focus on to get this car ready. What is that, you may add? I think the first thing that I want to do is paint. We gotta do something about this paint. I need to strip the paint. Now that I can move it around easily, I'll probably put it in the garage, maybe even on Sunday, but definitely real soon. Wash it. I may even wash it tomorrow, which is what I need to do to get it looking like something, and then figure out how to strip this paint so I can repaint it and do it right. As you can see, I painted over Plasti Dip, so this comes up really easy, but this is even a lot to try to pull up like this, so I ain't trying to do that forever. So I'm thinking I'm going to do that next, and then my next step will probably be to replace this turbo with a little larger turbo so I can make a little bit more boost. And I also bought a new boost gauge. The boost gauge I got now only goes up to 20 psi. Well, I want one to go up a little bit more, at least about 23, because I may put the cutoff at 23, 25. I don't know. But so we got to install that. I'm too concerned with it right now, because I'm not too concerned about making no more boost than what I'm making. But when I get a new turbo, and we're gonna rock with the eBay turbo, that will be an issue. As you can see down there, still a little oil leak, which I think is coming from the head right here, that needs to be addressed. I really need to pull that head again, redo the surface, and re-torque it down. But that's a lot of work that I'm not willing to do at this moment. Just want to get it on the road because it ain't been on the road in a while. And clean it up because this is dusty as hell. Anyway, I just wanted to give y'all a little update on the Civic, and I think we finally got it running. I'm glad I didn't have to spend another $200 on the battery. All I had to do was put that little $13 switch in there. We need to clean up that wiring over there. There's so much stuff that I need to do that I can do now that I know that is working. This is the type of stuff that you do when you get bored and you just want to be working. I want to do that type of stuff.